Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jackie and I film weekly videos for you guys. Today's video is going to be on a bunch of first impressions. I have a ton of new makeup for you guys to see me try out. So if you're interested on seeing how I got this look right here and a bunch of new makeup, then just keep on watching. So I've been dying to do this video for you guys. I have just been so busy out of town, so finally I'm getting to it. We have so many goodies that I want to try out. So it is going to be a full-on first impressions, face full of makeup. That's what we're doing. Okay, so first we are going to start off with the eyes. I've been dying to try this palette. This is the Tarte Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust. It's so bad. I really just don't know where it came from. I literally was like coming home from the gym and it just sprouted up. Hello, I'm here to stay. I will say this palette's awkward to hold. So first I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Gossamer. Am I saying that right? Gossamer? Okay, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to put that all over the lid to kind of set that put that all over the lid to set that primer. Next, we are going to take the shade Giggle right here. And okay, so I'm barely tapping at all, and there is, I don't know if this will pick it up, like a lot of fallout. I'm okay with fallout, because usually that just means the colors are like really pigmented, and so that's why I'm doing my eyeshadow first today. So next I am going to take the shade Whimsical right here, and I'm just, and then to add just the tiniest bit more, I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here. It's called Wonder, and I'm just gonna ever so slightly go in the outer V. I'm curious about both of these shades. Magic and Flitter are the names. And let's see. Oh, wow. So on top we have Magic, and on the bottom we have Flitter. One is definitely more of like a rose gold, and the other is a true pinky gold, I think. I'm gonna do rose gold first, and I am going to apply that with my finger to get the best payoff possible. To gently clean up the eye right here. Okay, now that the eyes are done, I am going to go into foundation. So this is not anything new, but it is kind of it's a new oldie for me. I haven't tried this probably since high school, and it's the Dream Matte Mousse Foundation. This is in the shade Honey Beige Medium 4. And I remember literally this stuff just like covering up everything. So I don't know like how I should go in, maybe just with my finger. Let's see. Oh, it's dark. Like I feel like I used to put this on with my hands, but it literally feels and looks like mousse. It's so weird. Use a beauty blender or a brush. Let's try a beauty blender. This is the new Morphe Beauty Blender. I've used it once and I had mixed feelings because when I was pinching it, I don't know, like the shape stayed pinched. It was really weird. I don't know what to do. I guess we'll just try it with a blender. Oh my God, you guys. This is so not what I remembered it was. Like at all. It is like definitely more crumbly than I remember. Like, I don't know, I feel like I remember it being so smooth on my skin, and it like, I don't know, like I'll swatch it. Like I expected it to be smoother, and I guess it is when you rub it in with your hand, but like, no. It leaves like chunks of product. Oh my God, it like fell in my boobs. It's all over my shirt. Oh my God. Oh, but we are going to do the rest of my makeup and see if we can salvage this skin. I am gonna be out in public later, which is scary. But yeah. I am using the Born This Way Too Faced one. Now that I've given it a second try, I really do enjoy it. But let's see if we can get rid of these bags underneath my eyes. I don't think I like this beauty blender. When you push it, it just doesn't get as like small and as soft as you want it to. I don't know. Okay, the next product that I am super excited to try and I've been dying to use, I literally thought about opening it, but I'm like, no, I'll save it for my first impressions. It is the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder, and when I say I've literally been saving it, I promise you, I really have. Look, the sticker is still there. So we are going to use this today to set the under eyes. I've heard such great things about this. It is just so pretty. It goes on so smooth. It's not settling into my fine lines or my wrinkles. And Lord knows I have a lot of those. Love it. I already can tell that I love it. Next product up to try. Oh crap, I forgot I had this. That's okay, we will use this at the end. This is the Morphe 8H Highlight and Contour Palette. These shades look super pretty. We have some cooler tones right here and then a little bit warmer right here. But we will give it a try. I'm going to go in with this shade Debutante right here. Give that a try. It's a really pretty shade. That is super pigmented. I know y'all just saw that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Super pigmented. A little goes a long way, so make sure you are definitely dipping off the excess of your brush. Otherwise, you are gonna get a whole lot of powder you didn't ask for. Yeah. Next up to try, we have another Morphe palette. This is their blush palette. This is the 8W. This guy is just so freaking stunning. I feel like it has a good range for all skin tones. Do I want shimmer? Do I want matte? Let's just swatch a little. two of them for you. So this is Witty, which is like, bam, in your face, pink with like gold, with like a gold shift. And then you have the shade Beat right next to it, which is a little bit more of a coral color. So you have Beat on top and Witty on the bottom. Both super, super stunning. To take a light hand, and since we are more of a rose goldy, I think I'm gonna try the shade Beat, just an ever so slight. It's almost giving me NARS Orgasm vibes. Again, with this, a little goes a long way. I like barely put any on, and it is blinding, you guys. It is so stunning. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that shade. I can picture me wearing that shade all the time. Nothing wants to work today. My memory card was full. My battery in the camera died. Like today, it just doesn't want me to film. I feel like I am so like beaming right now. Like the name Beam for this highlight is a really good name. It is so pretty, but I just want to use them all. So my brow game is not new, so I am going to jump off camera real quick, do my brows, come back, and then show you some new lip products that I got. So don't go anywhere. So I did get these Bare Minerals plumping glosses, so I think I'm just going to do a lip liner and then go in with a gloss. This is the NYX Nude Liner. Lip liner truly is the perfect shade of nude. It goes with so many looks. It's so creamy. Pick one of these glosses. So these are the three. With this eye look. What do you think? Maybe this one might be too pink. So I'm kind of digging this one, and I think this is the shade Spark Plug. It is definitely one of the stickier formulas that I have tried. So we have one last product to try, and that is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. The packaging on this is just so cute. I'm really curious to see if it like legit makes your makeup waterproof. Now it is translucent. It is not leaving any sort of cast. And it isn't completely matte either, which I like. And then I'm also going to use the Morphe Setting Mist. This I just feel like keeps my makeup on really well. And that is another great mister. That right there concludes all of the products. This is the finished look. I definitely think there's a few hits and a few misses. Some products that I'm absolutely in love with are definitely both the Morphe palettes. I'm pretty sure the highlight and contour one is 25 and the blush is 15. Both definitely worth your money. You get so many different options and they really just look so pretty on the skin. I do like the way that the eye look turned out. I don't know if it's like one of those that you need to have in your collection. It is really pretty, but I feel like I have a lot of other palettes that are similar and have similar shades, so I don't know if it's like a must-have. It's definitely a nice to have, and it's cute. Cute packaging always helps. The Dream Matte Mousse I don't know. It doesn't look that bad now that all of my makeup is on top, but it was definitely difficult to work with, and I have a lot of other low-end foundations that I would prefer to use. The all-nighter, this guy, I'll just have to put him to the test and we will see. So that concludes it for the end of this video. I am rushing through because baby is screaming if you cannot hear her. Ugh. We have a bug, look over there in the camera. We had a little interruption. Somebody woke up from her nap. So like I was saying, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click it, like it, love it, watch it, follow us on our journey because we're having so much fun, aren't we, Bug? Yeah, we are having so much fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Look at baby. Mwah.